welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and today I'm in Newquay where I'm interviewing Caryl from Shell on Earth. So today I'm going to speak to her about why and how you can use your shells in a garden. So what do you do here and how do you use it in your gardens?
So we basically process whelks here in Newquay. All the whelks are caught around Welsh waters. They get transported here from the fishermen. We cook them, remove the shells, and then we take the meat basically gets sent to South Korea and it ends up in these tins. And then we're left with the shells. So we wanted to kind of recycle the shells, if you like, or repurpose them. So we wash them a further 3 times, they get crushed. And then we sell them in these small bags and larger bags as well, so you can use them for indoor plant pot coverings or to add to soil, to aerate the soil. The larger bags we do are kind of suited to more kind of outdoor use, so you can use them in gardens for borders and beds and rockeries or for larger plant pot toppings. They've got loads of uses, like mulch and things like that you can use it for.
Great. So what's your favourite thing to grow in your garden?
So I'm more of a kind of houseplant enthusiast, so I love growing succulents and cactuses, and I've started propagating my own, so hopefully then we can branch into that in the future and start selling our own propagations. But in the garden I really love the flowers, so we've got a really nice garden in West Wales. We've got loads of roses and peonies and things like that. My husband and his father actually grow loads of vegetables, so we've got artichokes in at the moment, loads of alliums, so we've got onions and leeks and things growing.